Now, Mr. Churchill, you've spoken about the deaf community. Now, why is this an issue, and how does it affect identity?
You see, our parents grew up in communities. We grew up in isolation.
Correct.
Technology has replaced connection. Mentorship is dead. Families have broken down.
Right.
Elders have lost their authority. So the result is a group of emotionally starving adults, men who suffer in silence, women who carry their burdens alone. See, community is medicine. Community is mentorship. Without it, we raise adults who feel like orphans even when they have people around them. So it is imperative that we rebuild circles where people are seen, people are supported, and people are guided.
That is why these social clubs that we join are very important.
Besides,
the book clubs, because brothers are really lost out there and they're feeling lonely.
Real roundtables where people will be able to be seen, where people will be able to get support, and where people will be able to be guided. Because essentially, it's all lost.
And that's why they need to keep it here.
Real round.
Because this is where we are real, and this is where we connect with you guys on the basis of what you've lost out there. This is your community.
No lies.
You're building our community here.
One conversation.
Now that's deep. Word, bro.